Hey guys, what's up? It's Scott Clark with Scooter Media, and today I'm going to show you how to easily reverse your video in Premiere Pro. On this channel, we provide filmmaking tutorials and tips and tricks, as well as doing some product reviews. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Let's get into it. For this example, I've dragged a video clip onto the timeline, and I'm just going to go down to the clip and right-click on it. Select Speed/Duration from the options, and in the Clip Speed/Duration pop-up window, select Reverse Speed and hit OK. Now you can see when I play the video clip that the video is now reversed. If you'd prefer to use the keyboard shortcut to bring up the Clip Speed/Duration window, you can hit Ctrl-R on a PC or Command-R on a Mac. I hope this little video helps with reversing clips in Premiere Pro, and if you guys found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please think about subscribing. Thanks for watching today's video, I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.